How to use gesture navigation bar in Realme GT7. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on system navigation. Now here you can see you can select buttons, and now here you can change your button layouts. And if you want to use gestures navigation bar, simply click on gestures, and now here you can use your gesture, then simply swipe left to go back, swipe right to go back, and then swipe up in middle of your phone to go back to your home screen and open recent apps. So this is the way to use gesture navigation bar in Realme GT7. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.